Okay, this time we have rather a difficult looking expression to simplify. On the top we have 2x to the power of minus 2 times y to the 5 over negative 4x squared y squared. Now, one of the questions you always ask yourself is where to start, and for me I prefer to start wherever I have an exponent on parentheses. So what I try to do is move that exponent outside the parentheses into the parentheses. And if we do that in this case, we're going to get 2 to the power of negative 2, x to the power of negative 2, y to the power of 5, all over negative 4 x squared y squared. And now there are a couple of different ways you can proceed. Anything that has a negative exponent can go to the other level. So that would leave us, we're going to bring down the 2 and the x because they each have negative exponents. So that will leave us with just a y to the 5 on top. And on the bottom we have negative 4 x squared y squared. But now we're also bringing down the 2 to the negative 2, so it comes down and the exponent becomes positive, so it becomes 2 to the 2. And the x to the negative 2 also comes down and its exponent becomes positive. So now we can continue to tidy up a little bit. So on the top we have y to the 5 over, on the bottom we have negative 4 x squared y squared. 2 squared is 4 again, and then you have another x squared. So from here now we can start to simplify. We have a y on the top and a y on the bottom. Okay, a y on the top and a y on the bottom. So we leave the y on top and we subtract the powers. Okay, so 5 on top minus the 2 on the bottom. And on the bottom we can look at our numbers. We have negative 4 times 4, and everything here is multiplied. There are no addition signs here, so everything here is multiplied. Negative 4 times 4 is negative 16. And then we have x's. We have x squared and x squared. So they're both on the bottom, so it's going to be 2 plus 2. So now just tidy it up, and it's going to give you y, 5 minus 2 is 3, over negative 16 x to the power of 4. Now you have a plus over a minus, so the correct way to write this is just by bringing the minus out in front. So minus y cubed over 16x to the power of 4. Now that's definitely not the only way to do this problem, but it's possibly the easiest way.